Have you been struggling with that constant ringing in your ears, the noise that never seems to stop? I know how frustrating and overwhelming tinnitus can be. But what if I told you there's a product that's changing lives? In this video, I'll share my journey with Zen Cortex, how it's helped me, and whether it might be the solution for you. Hi, everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and I love sharing honest reviews about health and wellness products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into Zen Cortex, a tinnitus supplement that promises relief. Spoiler alert, it made a real difference in my life, and I'm excited to break it all down for you. Let's talk about tinnitus for a moment. If you're watching this, you probably know the struggle trying to sleep with that annoying ringing in your ears or focusing at work when the noise won't let up. For me, it was like having a never-ending hum in the background of my life, and no matter what I tried, nothing seemed to work. Sound familiar? I know how isolating and exhausting it can feel. It's not just about the noise. It's about the toll it takes on your mental health, focus, and peace of mind. After years of searching for solutions, I came across Zen Cortex. It's a supplement specifically designed to help people manage tinnitus symptoms by targeting brain and ear health. What caught my attention were the natural ingredients and the claims of reducing inflammation and improving auditory function. But I had my doubts. Does it really work? Or is it just another product with big promises? I decided to give it a shot, and after a few weeks, I noticed a difference. The ringing wasn't as intense, and I started having quiet moments, a luxury I thought I'd never have again. My focus improved, and I even began sleeping better. Now, let me be clear, this wasn't an overnight miracle, but it was a consistent improvement that gave me real relief. If you're struggling with tinnitus and want to explore a natural solution, Zen Cortex might be worth trying. I've included a link in the description for more details. Don't just take my word for it, read reviews, do your research, and make the choice that's best for you. And if you've tried Zen Cortex, drop your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more reviews like this. Let's tackle tinnitus together because everyone deserves peace of mind. See you in the next video.